Hi guys, so the question is best binary string. You are given a string as consisting of character 0 and 1 and question mark. Let's call it a pattern. Let's say that the binary string, a string where each character is either 0 or matches the pattern. If you can replace each characters question mark with 0 or 1 for each character if the choice is independent, so that the string become equal. For example, 0 0 1 0 matches question mark 0 1 question mark, but 0 1 0 doesn't match 1 comma 1 question mark question mark question mark question comma question mark or question mark, all this. Okay, let's define a cost of binary string as the minimum number of operation of the form reverse arbitrary contiguous substring of the string required to sort the string in non-decreasing order. You have to find a binary string with the minimum possible cost among those that matches the given pattern. If there are multiple answers, print any of them. Okay, so what we have to output for each test case, print a binary string with minimum possible cost among those that was the given pattern. If there are multiple answers, print any of them. Okay, so guys, here's the solution. Let's what I am doing. First, what we are doing over here, this is yeah, so the code is visible. In the first for loop, what we are doing, we are doing left to right propagate. Okay, so what we are doing, we are starting from left to right. I at index 1 to less than n. Okay, it will increment, and what we are going to do, we will compare if s at I index is question mark and s I minus 1 is 1. So what we will assign the s at I index 1. Okay, otherwise this array will continue. Okay, this for loop will go on. Okay, same here, what we are doing, we are going to right to left. Okay, propagate zeros through it. Okay, here we propagate ones, here we propagate zeros. Okay, from right to left. Okay, as you can see, I start with n minus 2, I is greater than equal to 0, I increment or decrement, sorry. Okay, so I at index I, s at index I, if is it equal to question mark and s I plus 1 is equal to 0, then s at index I will be assigned as 0. Okay, and at the end loop, what we are doing, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I will increment. If si is equal to 0, then s at I index will be assigned to 0. Okay, and at the end we have to print the string. Okay, so that's the whole solution, guys. Yeah, let me show you. Let's execute the code first. Okay, now let's run it. Here are the test cases. Copy this, paste it. All the outputs are correct. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.